particular occasion, P2B has actually made it clear that the Ojukwu family are actually his family, either today, tomorrow, or anytime, come any day. And he actually proved that in this particular video. While some of us are actually celebrating the festive season with our loved ones, our friends, our families, and all of that, he actually took his time to visit the wife of Ojukwu, which is Bianca, and they had an amazing conversation that really shows that love and bond between the both of them. Anyway, the highlight is what I always bring to you here on the channel, and this is one of it. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section telling us how you actually celebrate your own festive season. Enjoy, guys.
You know what we are moving towards is a very defining. We are marching towards a very defining and a decisive moment in Nigeria's political history. We're seeing a momentum like we have never seen before. And we're seeing a Nigerian of Igbo extraction who has invaded the socio-cultural political landscape like a hurricane. Thus, Mr. P2B, we know of his capacity, having been the first two-term governor in the history of Anambra State. We also know that he did one very, very significant, important thing in Anambra State, which is that he brought the era of godfatherism in Anambra State to a conclusive end. Of course, when faced with one of the most progressive politicians Nigeria has ever had, I can only but wish him the very best in this venture. It is not an easy task for him to have achieved what he has. The level of acceptance, recognition, almost like a youth revolution that Nigeria has never seen in its history. And I think that at the end of the day, what every Nigerian needs is a responsive government, a government that has an affinity with the masses, and a leader that people can trust. So, I think what most of us are looking forward to is this election, because this election will define whether Nigerians are truly sincere in the change of the so desperately.
Like I said before, this is my home. Holiday in case I also came to what I can call consultation to be able to brief and update one of those that consider my leader, the purpose of my journey, what I'm doing, my commitment for new Nigeria.
What can you say about the
Well, it's in tough in this, but I'm urging all Nigerians to believe that a new Nigeria is possible. My commitment is that we can turn around this, and I'll ask them to hold me responsible, because I'm not going to change it overnight. But we want to be on the path that other nations are, where we know we're making progress in the right direction. And that's the one that says, hold me responsible, and I'll provide that. We want to be able to have a clear, measurable target that we're following, everybody can see. So for example, if we say we're pulling people out of poverty, we want to know the number we achieve annually and progressive like that. We want to be able to say we're going to provide primary health care. This is the policy, this is what we're doing. And everybody can see whatever we do visibly.
Do you have any message to the
collect your votes, PVC. This is an existential election for the country. It is important. We must start building a new Nigeria. We must remove Nigeria from consumption to production, so we can create jobs, pull our people out of poverty. So people will be proud of being Nigerians.
Thank you very much.
We have to think about joint contribution government and your support and all of that.
Well, it's always an honor to meet with Mr. President. And of course, he has been consulting throughout Nigeria with all stakeholders, all major stakeholders in this country. And it is instructive that he is here, because this is like the second year he started his political journey from this week. And of course, we know a thing or two about his leadership credentials and his capacity, not just as an individual, as a businessman, but as a leader. What we're seeing in Nigeria today is a very, very painful situation and difficult for most people. Life is becoming increasingly harder, and we need a new dynamism to be injected into administration. He is a consummate administrator, and of course one of the most progressive politicians this country has ever produced. We know much more about his pedigree, his political pedigree, and his leadership credentials in Anambra State, where he made history by becoming the first second-term governor in the history of the state. And of course, not just that, he remains one, in fact, if not the highest performing governor in the state. And at the same time, he did something hugely significant for the people of Anambra. He brought the era of godfatherism in Anambra politics to a conclusive end. And that is something that is hugely fundamental. And of course, we know what he's able to do and what he has done so far. I mean, going into a relatively obscure political party and generating the kind of tsunami of political activism that we have never ever seen before in the history of Nigerian electoral landscape, political landscape, is something to be commended. Is something to be commended, really.
Thank you very much.